kat nami kisngi ki khubor yala Pashat yaw drugs ki saplyang stat Henry jarla kat taru uniu jingdi penbuai ulah hiartma jar ya ki samla bat kum ukrun ya ka imlang kasalang. Kidon ki samla ki bala lait na kene jingsha te kenjri hau drugs bat ki pha ya ka khubor sa ki wepat ban ngop hau bat we na kini udew samla Banïohbor Lyngdoh ubaderu nong roi ubasmat pantho ki jingsham jong u hakarukom ki jingroi poetry. Hak program Jokatanat Social Welfare hak santare kuno pra arja arpulai halo ka drug reduction elimination and action mission lani ka dream but ka bringing unity in local against drugs. Hausus utam auditorium uniu samla ula adik symboh pyrkhat lyngba ka poetry banyalap Pashat yaw drugs.
Sang jongai kini ki baro kalau 2016 ubang sedang berkijingker ni jongana 2016 kalau terta but sipun kijing ki panglasem kitu kipor namar kum haka jinglong kena kijing ya inti ki jonga ngampar stu ki malong tang breu nakata kadau but henry kijing ya inti ki jonga ringkat ba kijingkan man ban poi skalti ka babha de ngalasem sipun ki ban kijing ya inti ngalasu tu de sipun ki la ki balanga layo jingera henry tu ki por ngapar stu kumdo bangan la bile Pashat ita ki jing sneu ki babon de henry bar ki jingal ti ki jonga bar bana jrong play jomi na kata kadau mutang la poi ki jaka bar ki jingera ka bangalayo sibon kalong kadai na po karihap sento ka banganga sa de kadai ti po jowa ka karteng joka kadai ka breakthrough center de hang thiru ka first time hang bangalai sibon ki jing hikai sibon ki ki pangalayo ma na kami sino jong ban ki khamal la jong henry wala kataru ngampal la bersutu namar ba ki jing pensoi ki bamala ka singi ngala long tau kena ki jing ko jonga ngampal la ba ile Pashat henry ya kasien ka ba arpan ngala don kamen sem ko ba thrang shisha bangala ba kiar no ki ki basnio kumba ki ong kumantang long soba la padadap snam kanang dan ya tang ki pana henry kata kami lai bar kumaki on ka kintin on web kyong recovery is a journey, it's not a destination. Nakata kada ngaru adani kata kamen sim bangala balong tau breu balong soba bai hoi namar kade ke journey ke gm ke jongi ki breu baro hi kade ke journey nakata kada long ki ba klain ke jimu ji perkan keep fighting kumaki on ke tena way nang ba firla ban job isipon ki umdai tang drugs kini ki jinggi pembuat par sipon ki jing sneu baro hakane ka pertain ong non de ban kawai ka long ka bang so kumene bang yo jingeram na po ka breakthrough center ka ber na po jawai na marba kadai ong no ba ni na yena sam gim na de ki pa ber ki pa biam de mi yo ka ku ba ka te ka breakthrough center ka de ki jaka jong ka ba ai ka government ban nga slow ban ai play ya da state government ka bala ai kom kata kalan yang ni ki bam da yo da kon bangin yo ki jaka ki ba light free na dong shut down film dan kam se wat ta kin dia ru de na kata kadang so ko ban sipon ban hadu menta bang layo ban yang kini ki jaka bang long breu bala shai ki jimu ji perkat long breu bla klan kan no ka kamru de na kata kadang sekolah kemen sipon ban aku aru ban I'm sim yang baro ki parlok ki ni le se dan apreng jungi ki bala ya LT itu ki gam ki babon bat don ki bana chapar te nga skwa ban kerelas kini ka hakini ka minute ban ngakwa ban ong ki kintin ki bana nga stotenat ban keren kalong kumnia hajigim ki breu baman la kasni ki jing babon ni hap ban yakun na kiken ni san ni so thum gi long slur jing ken ki dei ya jing ka center om ton ka basut kadang ha perthai lem jing jong yi long le no ai ka shong pat hangi ken kum no ngin ya le hala de pusan tu perkhat tu perkre khuble shibo
Hakani ke program lawan banyadon lang daw menteri rangba ka jala ukon rat kia sangma kumukongsan uba Pol Lyngdoh menteri ketenat social welfare ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lyngdoh ke menteri ketenat ke kot kekia uba Redekton Lyngdoh Tongkaru MLA ke Mokruan u Dr. LR Bishnoi Director General of Police ke jala noloki officer sarkar bat kiwe-kiwe Gibasha khot sngobha na ki kunhon bapher bar ki noilam na ki sanjok treman sngobha kun thop ru ki noilam balang kila sai ya ka community accord ban yakhon Pashat yaw drugs. Umentri rangba ka jilla ula IT ru ya ka check ka banriu lak tingka sya ka Maulai town Darbar na ka benta ka jingsdang ya ka jaka sumar na ka benta ki bakirni drugs.
If you look at the last 6 years, I know you will look at different programs happening here and there. You must be thinking, why is this government doing this music program and the sports program? Well, I want to tell you, they are all connected. Everything revolves around our youngsters, one of our greatest resources that we have in order to be a regenerative economy. And since it is all a part of our policy making, we need to realize that the children have to be guided at the right time of their life, and hence a life cycle approach, as we call it. What do we do for a kid when they are 1 year old? What about the problem of an adolescent, a girl or a boy who's about to touch their teenage, but we miss out that period when they are actually adolescents. We don't guide them. Maybe that is one of the most important points where we have issues of drugs today. What about the time frame where the child is actually, in terms of the mental capacity growing the most, which is between the age of 1 and 8, the early childhood phase? What do we do as a government to invest in them at the right time? What happens to the kid when the child is in the teenage and then ready to enter the workforce? This is all in our minds as we create policies and programs for you. And we realized that if we allow the youth to do what they love to do, maybe they won't do the things that are bad for them. And hence this grassroots music program that supports maybe close to 3,000 artists directly and another 10,000-15,000 kids around them is actually allowing kids to be busy, is allowing kids to really do what they love to do, and maybe hopefully stay away from the wrong things like drugs. Governments cannot work now only on schemes. You cannot work only on UCs. You cannot work only on reports that will be submitted. There must be a sense of purpose behind what you are trying to do. We need to focus on that purpose. What is it we're trying to achieve? And how will these different programs and schemes help us achieve that goal? That we will be keeping certain percentage of the CM Elevate program for our different groups that are there. Whether it's the differently or specially abled group, we will be giving special quota for our specially abled youth who are there to start their businesses. Whether it is our youths who have gone through the challenges of drug abuse and have come out of it now, we would like to promote them and support them by giving them support in CM Elevate and keep a certain amount specifically for our youth who would then open up their businesses and show an example to others also and take it forward.